You can see when you open the garage door,
now it's all out of the way, you don't even see it.
It's out of the way, you don't see it.
Opening up this space, this is absolutely huge. I didn't think 4x4 would be that big of a space. But look, I've almost opened up 3 shelves for about 4 to 5 feet of length. This is so much more space available in my shop now. So having this lift is really going to change things.
All right, that was super easy. These things are heavy duty, guys. I can hold myself up on these. I can do a pull-up on them. It can hold all my weight. And these are heavy duty racks, guys. You can put some weight on them. So it was holding my whole 200 pounds, basically, is what I weigh. 190. So you can zip tie them or you can use the Velcro straps. Either way, they both work to keep the racks from moving around.